Mangifera indica, or commonly mango, is a very popular fruit throughout the world. I mean, it's aim for mangoes, na? The very childhood picture letter book of us. But in a serious note, mango is more than a fruit in Sanatani Protha. After coconuts and bananas, it's mango which symbolizes the purity, fertility, and love of the god. So, Indian also use the mango leaves in their pujas. Pranam and welcome friends to Signature Dishes. Today we are going to learn how to make no-bake mango chocolate tart step by step. Yes, it's a famous western style dessert rich in taste and flavor. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for instant notification. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. At first, we need 300 grams of butter biscuits. You can also take butter cookies. I am taking ready-made ones which are easily available at market. Grind them properly. You can use a mixer grinder just like me, or can also use a fruit processor. After grinding, add 80 grams of melted butter and mix it. Proper combining is very important as this mixture is going to be the base of our tart. Here I have a 9-inch tart pan with a removable bottom. Grease it with butter. I am using a silicone pastry brush to avoid any kind of stickiness. You can also use your hand or a kitchen tissue paper to do it properly. After greasing, pour the biscuit butter mixture into the pan, then spread it evenly. Cover every corner of the pan. Use your hand to dab it properly. Once your tart pan is lined with the mixture, put it in freezer for 1 hour. Meanwhile, start working on the sauce and the filling. We need 5 fresh and ripe, big in size mangoes. Cut them and scoop out the flesh. Then make a fine puree. Roughly chop some almonds and cashews. We need it for garnishing. Add 1 tablespoon of butter into a pan. Shallow fry the chopped nuts until they pop up and release a charming nutty aroma which indicates the proper roasting of the nuts. Next, take 60 ml of mango puree. Use the same pan. Cook over a medium flame. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and ginger powder one by one. Mix properly. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and cook for 5 minutes until it gets a gel kind of texture. Now the sauce is ready. The sauce is a complete optional part of this dish. I love to have it with this sweety tasty dessert. You can say it's a trick to enhance more flavors. Now add the rest of the puree into the same pan. Then also add 250 ml of fresh cream, 2 tablespoons of butter, 70 grams of white chocolate, 30 ml of condensed milk one by one. Don't need any compound chocolate. I am using regular milk chocolates which are easily available in the market. Cook over a medium flame. Continuously stir it. After switching off the flame, add a pinch of freshly grated cinnamon powder. Wait until it comes to the room temperature. For every perfect measurements, please check the description box below. 1 hour of resting, take the tart shell out. Pour the mango filling to cover the cavity. Spread it evenly with a spoon. Garnish with the nuts and again put it into the freezer for 1 hour. After 60 minutes, bring out the tart from the freezer. Start to decorate it. Decoration is up to your choice. I am adding the mango sauce and 2 tablespoons of homemade strawberry jam. Dropping some fresh cream and elevate it with a toothpick. Grating some white chocolates and finishing it with a mint leaf. Garnishing is done and now remove the tart shell boundary with a light hand. Be very careful. Do it patiently or else there is always a chance of cracking. Now you have to keep it again in freezer for minimum 8 hours to set everything right. But I am cutting it instantly as it looks so tempting and have to complete the shoot. Start the plating by adding the sauce. Cut the preferable piece and place it over the sauce. Again drizzle some mango sauce over the piece. Can add more grated chocolates and jam. It's just yum and delicious. Enjoy!